Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will walk you through how to get Snapchat on computer. So let's get started. First, open a web browser on a computer and go to the Snapchat website, snapchat.com. Inside snapchat.com, tap on Login to Chats. Then you'll be navigated to Login section. Now all you have to do is log into your Snapchat account. Simply note down your username or email address you have provided to Snapchat, or simply you can use your phone number as well. Now, once you are logged into your Snapchat account, you can see you can access some basic features such as viewing and sending snaps, messages and stories and all, but you still need Snapchat app on your device. So to do that, tap on the Install Snapchat option available in blue highlights on top left corner. Simply tap on the link provided there. Then once you tap on it, the install option will be available on your screen. Then tap on the install option. So by following these steps, you can easily get Snapchat on your computer. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.